Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this DIY natural hair growth pomade. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So to get started, I'm going to use 4 ingredients. The first one I'm using is castor oil. Castor oil is very good for the hair. It provides moisture and helps seal strands. And the next I'm using is coconut oil, which is also good for natural hair, and followed by the beeswax. Beeswax is very good for natural hair. It sorts scalp conditions, it promotes hair growth, it seals strands. In fact, if you're having difficulties managing your hair, beeswax is your sure bet. It helps you smoothly fly away strands, it strengthens hair and keep your styles intact. And after beeswax, the next I'm adding is shea butter. For the measurement I'm using, my shea butter, I'm using 30 grams of shea butter for this tutorial. And for my coconut oil, I'm using 40 grams of coconut oil. And beeswax, I use 10 grams of beeswax and 20 grams of castor oil. And after adding all my oils and butters together in a double boiler, I will melt my oils as I'm doing at this point. After melting it, I'll allow it cool down for some minutes. Then I'll add my menthol crystal. If you've been watching my video, you know that I love using menthol crystal because it helps control dandruff and helps sort itching scalp. And the next I'm adding is my fragrance. I'm using vanilla fragrance at this point. It smells so good. And the next I'm adding is my antioxidant, which is my tea tree oil. So after adding everything together, I'm going to mix it to make sure I combine everything together, the oils and the butters and the fragrance together. And I'll allow it to cool for some while. And here is what it looks like at this point. It's still warm at this point, but here is the consistency for now. So guys, this is the end result. And in a clean container, I'm going to pour my hair pomade, my DIY natural hair growth pomade. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you next time.